plans, the future programs of India, as India is on its Viksit Bharat path. And in fact, the theme is also Viksit Bharat at 2047. In fact, 6,000 special guests have been invited for the grand celebrations at the Red Fort today, where India is celebrating its Azadi. It is the 78th Independence Day today, and we will be remembering the sacrifices of our freedom fighters. And in a vibrant display of patriotism, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be addressing the nation from the Lal Killa in just a while from now. Now, the theme for this year's Independence Day is the Viksit Bharat, which reflects the government's commitment to transform India till 2047, which will be the year when India will be celebrating the 100 years of independence. But amid tight security, the security has also been beefed up in the national capital, and in fact across the nation. Security has been tightened across India with over 10,000 cops and facial recognition cameras, and also snipers which have been deployed in Delhi, and security camps have also been set up in 13 villages in Chhattisgarh's Bastar region, where the tricolour will be hosted for the first time to celebrate Independence Day. In fact, we were also showing you ground reports from Jammu and Kashmir, where the army is on its toes and the security has been beefed up. There is a high alert at the line of control. But Akash Sharma continues to get us all the latest updates from the Red Fort. Akash, what's happening? Give us the latest updates.
It's raining now, and rains have made this occasion more special. In fact, in some time from now, we're expecting the Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be arriving here at Red Fort, and after that, the address by the Prime Minister for the 11th consecutive time. In fact, these are the visuals which we are showing to our viewers, where you are seeing the Red Fort. And not just the Red Fort, but also the NCC cadets who have come here, special invitees, around 6,000 who have come here. We are learning about the contingent that took part in Paris Olympic. We are expecting the players as well. However, I'm unable to see any of the players. Maybe they are sitting somewhere else. But yes, these players will be invited as well. This is an important occasion. 28th, Independence Day of India. We know about the struggle. We have studied in our history books as to how typical and crucial it was for India, and how our freedom fighters fought for us, and made us see this beautiful day, in fact, where we are enjoying the democracy, where we are seeing democracy. And today, the Prime Minister is going to make the address in some time from now. 7:33 is what the time is. We are seeing defense officials, very much ready for the occasion. And in fact, in some time from now, Raksha Mantri would be arriving. And after that, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he will be given the ceremonial, guard of honor, where 105 light-weight gun is going to take part at the 21 gun salute. 21 topon ki salami is what the ceremonial celebration is, and in some time from now, in fact, everyone is waiting for that particular occasion. It's raining, as I mentioned earlier, and the rains have made this occasion more beautiful. Security arrangements are there. In fact, tight security arrangements. We have Delhi police officials are very much deployed for the security. Several route plannings have been done. In fact, in the central Delhi, we have in fact, Delhi Traffic Police has tweeted that how several routes have been diverted, traffic diversions have taken place, and security is the utmost priority. And this is also a reason why, common people, those who haven't got any sort of passes, or, those who are not lying in any sort of category, in the people, those who have invited, so are not being allowed here. And every year we see, the kind of celebration, and every year is, special. This time around, the theme is Viksit Bharat by 2047. And this is what the dream is of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. When we talk about, Atmanirbharta, I was discussing with you, Anjali, that how has achieved several goals when it is about self-reliance. So India has been focusing on self-reliance, multiple platforms. So we have seen the induction of multiple platforms, be it light combat helicopter, be it light combat aircraft, and in fact the own aircraft carrier as well, INF Vikrant. So India has been, doing, in fact, has been focusing on Atmanirbharta, and sometime from now we are expecting Prime Minister Narendra Modi talking about the kind of mission that India is on, and the theme Viksit Bharat.
Absolutely, Akash. Akash, please stay with us.
जो उद्घोष है इस बात का कि आगमन हो रहा है प्रधानमंत्री का। इस पल की और इसी दृश्य की हम प्रतीक्षा कर रहे थे। लाल किले के लाहौरी गेट पर प्रधानमंत्री की अगवानी के लिए तैयार देश के रक्षा मंत्री राजनाथ सिंह, रक्षा राज्य मंत्री संजय सेठ, रक्षा सचिव और जीओसी दिल्ली एरिया लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल भवनीश कुमार। भव्यता बढ़ती हुई आगमन हो रहा है दुनिया के सबसे बड़े लोकतंत्र के प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी का।
The National Flag Guard, the Guard Commander, Commander Vinay Dubey giving the commands as the Prime Minister's carcade gently takes the curve of the moat to arrive towards the Lahori Gate side.
माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी का आगमन हो रहा है। हमारे राष्ट्रीय पर्व 78वें स्वाधीनता दिवस समारोह के मुख्य आयोजन स्थल यानी ऐतिहासिक लाल किले की प्राचीर से, जहां से आज वे देश को संबोधित करेंगे। देश के समक्ष जो प्राथमिकताएं हैं, जो चुनौतियां हैं, उनको रेखांकित करेंगे अपने संबोधन में। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री महोदय का विधिवत स्वागत माननीय रक्षा मंत्री श्री राजनाथ सिंह द्वारा, रक्षा राज्य मंत्री श्री संजय सेठ भी यहां पर उपस्थित, रक्षा सचिव श्री गिरधर अरमने, चीफ ऑफ डिफेंस स्टाफ जनरल अनिल चौहान, थल सेना प्रमुख जनरल उपेंद्र द्विवेदी, नौसेना प्रमुख एडमिरल डी के त्रिपाठी और जीओसी दिल्ली एरिया लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल भवनीश कुमार माननीय प्रधानमंत्री महोदय को एस्कॉर्ट करते हुए गार्ड ऑफ ऑनर जहां उन्हें पेश किया जाएगा संयुक्त सेना पुलिस सम्मान गारद के द्वारा।
सेना पुलिस समाजगण आपके निरीक्षण के लिए तैयार है श्रीमान।
Commander Arun Kumar Mehta informing the Prime Minister that the Guard is ready for inspection and requesting him to do the inspection. And once the inspection starts, the band positioned there will strike up a slow march.
प्रधानमंत्री को सलामी गारद देने वाले दस्ते में थल सेना, नौसेना और वायुसेना और दिल्ली पुलिस के एक-एक अधिकारी और 24 जवान शामिल हैं।